up, everyone? Welcome to the first installment of Flip That Move!
It's kind of flipping.
Go!
Flip That Move is when I pick a random move out of a hat from any style of movement and then I flip it by creating 3 breaking variations of it. As you guys just saw, Happy Feet was the move that was randomly picked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the very basic of Happy Feet and flip that. The basic being this. Boom, boom, hit, or boom, hit, hit, boom.
If you don't know who I is, you don't know my abilities. Listen, witness, pay attention as I spit this wicked. 2090 for business. Every minute diminish, I'm in it to win it. As long as I'm living, they say I'm sinning that can never be forgiven. Let it never.
Oh, wrong day to wear big jogger pants, hey? Anyways, first step, the rock feet, okay? What I did with this one is I basically just took the same Happy Feet feeling and applied that to a rock. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start feet together like this, and you're gonna hop out into your right heel, left toe, just like with Happy Feet, okay? And then your arms are gonna come behind you, boom, just like that, okay? And then you go front, other side, left heel, right toe, hands behind you, and together. So just learn that first. You're going hop, together, hop, together. So if you're doing a rock, it'd be 1, so hit that jump first. I'm editing it afterwards. Don't hate me, it's okay, I'm just a terrible teacher. Then we're going 2, and then we're going back. 1, that's the hop, 2. So starting off with boom, ha, hit. Just like that. Then, after that, all you're gonna do, once that's comfortable, is add here, you're just gonna rotate. So you're gonna go like this, whoop, other right toe, left heel, hands, you can do literally whatever you want, I'm just gonna do punch, okay? Then you're gonna come together, like that, and then come down, all right? So, going again from the top, we're going hop, open, then you're gonna do that switch to here, then connect, drop, all right? And again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Now, what you're doing here is you're taking this base Happy Feet, making it bigger and have that rock grounded feel rather than a hoppy feel. It's going boom, hard down, and then you're adding this part into it. Because with a lot of Happy Feet, you go boom, 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 hit, kind of twisty twist. So what we did is we did hit, twisty twist, drop, all right? So you have that 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Then if you want to start again, you start with that side. So you're going 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Or and 4, like whatever you want. You can play with it. Now if you want to do a hit on hit each side first, all you have to do is go together, wide, together, wide. Then you add the rock in, hit, pop, together, hit. Yeah? Try with me, a little slower. Going hit, wide, hit, wide, hit, wide, hop, hit, drop. So as you saw, if it's natural for you to add some like style and flavor in there, be my guest. I'm just making it up as we go. Just kidding, I didn't prep for it. But wouldn't that be dope? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So again, you can either go 7, 8 if you want it easier, or as I like to do it, you can go boom, hit down first, because it adds a little bit more of that flavor in. So if you want to do that last part, all you gotta do from here, connect your feet first, bring that belt in, drop it down. All right? Let's try from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Boom.
If you don't know who I is, you don't know my abilities. Listen, witness, pay attention as I spit this wicked. 2090 for business. Every minute.
Your boy is sweating. Step number 2, we're doing a little bit of the Swaggy Feet. Okay? I don't know these names. I don't make them up. Actually, I do. So if you've got better names, let me know. Because, yeah. So what I did with this one is I took the base of 1 and 2 and just added into a 2-step front. So I wanted to be pretty authentic to the 2-step front, except adding hops. And so if you add a hop in, what do you get? Well, this is front. You go hit, together, hit, together. So if you're crossing, you get that kind of a move, right? But I wanted to add more to it because that's just too basic in my opinion. So what I did is every time I came back to center, where I would have from that, I just went like this. So scarecrow position, like that, okay? So what I did is started out, legs side by side, then you're just gonna hop, boom. But I made it tight together, you see that? So you want your calf and your shin touching, because that way it's gonna have that nice crisscrossy feel to it. And your right foot, which is your front foot, is on your heel. Left foot, which is your back foot, is on your toe, okay? So your center, you go boom, like that. So first, all you gotta do is get hit, like that down. Then, go center, now other foot. Left heel, right toe, behind. Hopping to it, boom, together. So again, notice, my foot's turned out as far as it can that side, while my other foot's turned out the opposite side. That's what adds that nice contrast to it. So center, first one, going hit, like that. Right heel, left toe, center, coming back on your toes, knees in, other side, hit, like that. So make sure you always go knees in, out. So it has that in, out feel to it. That's what makes it nice. And again, it's that 2-step that we had before. 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, or 1, 2, 1, 2. Together, 1, 2, 1, 2. So that's my variation. That's Swaggy Feet. Now let's get a little bit quicker. Knees in, heels out, hop, center, hop, center. 1, 2, 1, 2. A little bit quicker, going hit and hit and hit and. So notice I'm always hopping. That's what's gonna make it faster and faster. Let's try full speed now. Go. Hit, hit, hit. So, basic tops. Oh, beat drop comes. Boom, and hit.
If you don't know who I is, you don't know my abilities. Listen, witness, pay attention as I spit this wicked. 2090 for business. Every minute diminish, I'm in it to win it.
Your boy is sweating like a pig. Number 3, everybody, we're on the floor. What is the floor? We haven't been here forever. Did you miss it as much as I did? Hi, Thor. It's been a minute. I'm sorry. This hip injury, you know, it's coming between us, but I'll be back soon, I promise. Number 3, we have, what did I call it now? Should I go look it up? Be right back. Found it. Chill feet. I don't know about these names, guys. It's just really like being one of those things. So, chill feet. All I did was take the exact same happy feet step from standing up, which is 1 and 2 and, or 1 and 2 and 3 and, which is one of the most authentic ones. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now, did you hear this knee crack? That felt great. We're gonna go, same thing, but on the floor. So, I made this really kind of chill and lazy to the ground, because the thing is, if you go hoppity with it, then you're gonna be going too high off the ground, it's gonna kind of lose that flow to it. So I keep my arms kind of low, in bad positioning, with my heels kind of close to the ground, so that I can have a nice grounded feel to it, so it feels more like footwork. And then all I do is hop out, heel, right foot, toe, left foot, and then together. Then switch sides, other side going heel, toe, together. Think of it like a weird kick out, okay? And then the third one, I just go up, quick, on both my heels, all right? So going again, right hand down, out and switch, out and up and. But again, I do it a lot quicker when I do it full out, because it has a way nicer feel to it. If you do it that slow, it's gonna look boring. So try to keep yourself really low with it and get comfortable with that kind of hop feel. 1 and. You always want to be that 1 and count. 1 and, 2 and, okay? And then 3 and at the end. So just get comfortable with that. Heel toe together, switch, heel toe together. So you're welcome to go directly front or sides. I personally like a kind of diagonal look to it because it has just a bit more flavor to it. So you're gonna go 1 and, 2 and, 3 and. Just make that really low, okay? And you can play around whatever poses you want in the middle. Flip it as you choose. So going slow, 1 and, 2 and, 3 and. Now add some speed into it. 1 and 2 and 3 and, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So notice, 1 and 2 and 3 and, 1 and 2 and 3 and. It always has that 1 and 2 and 3 and count to it. As long as it has that count to it, it's gonna have that nice flow, and it's gonna look like the Happy Feet step, but in footwork. One time full out for fun, because why not? Chill, bro. Chill. Hop. Hop. All right, y'all. So that's the video. Those are your 3 steps. If you guys like this idea and you want me to flip more random moves from other styles and dances and whatever you want, literally any movement step, you can do it. Comment down below, let me know, and I'll see what I can do about flipping it. So I'll just put in the hat, mysteriously grab it, and it might just be yours. So don't forget to do that. Like the video, subscribe, and don't forget to smash that bell button for all the new videos. This was your boy, Magnus.Magneto from Now Never Crew. Thanks so much for watching. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.